welcome to my YouTube channel. Trading has been fun, interesting, risky, and all of you. But at least we have to document the journey and see how it has been going. 2 months before time. Let's dive straight into what we have for today. Firstly, we have to check the news. So this is Forex Factory. We have check for news. You can see they have a forum, they have trade, they have news, they have calendar. Calendar is you can even check for future events, like you can check for tomorrow. Like today is February 19th, Wednesday. Let's see. So these are the high impact news. These other ones are the low impact news. So around 30 a.m. they had wage interest index as AET, this is Australian dollars. By 2 a.m. they had the NZD, which is the New Zealand dollars. I don't think there's any major news to okay, there is by 8 p.m. the United States dollars FOMC meeting minutes. So let's just check. Federal Reserve latest release more hawkish than expected is for currency, scheduled 8 times per year, 3 weeks after the federal funds rate is announced. The next date is okay. Oh, this is the new release 9th February 1985. Why traders kept detailed record of the FOMC most recent meeting, providing in-depth insight into the economic and financial conditions that influence their vote on where to set interest rates. FOMC just means the Federal Open Market Committee. Very important. So we had after that you can go to your trading view and go to your trading view. For example, we'll check out gold. Let's just go to gold chart. Set as times. It's as simple as that. So we'll start from this is for just traders. Let's just click move on trending. That's a high, is a high. You might not see that slide should be because on the daily, but I'll zoom into charts, like straight to 4 hours, 10 minutes, and the rest of the content is open. It won't be perfect though. I had a little bit too low on this low. And we still break the market structure to get what is supposed to provide a boom. That's how to know that okay, the market structure and not going down. So if you understand that, that's just it. Now I trade now I need straight to 50 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. They'll do analysis. So I've done a lot. So this, let me tell you if you want head and shoulder. This is head and shoulder. So you can actually directly. You can actually this. So this one is the top. Reverse head and shoulder. Left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder. And this is the neckline. The group of this neckline. The group of this neckline. So if you know how to use all you can use, go ahead and use them. Or now make the chart in the axis and take all this one out. You can take this one out. Trend line just trying to get it. So I'm down to practice. How many touches? And body, not push. Not affect the or we can say supposed to come with come straight down here, then you can do this side. So for us to get that, you have to see go right now is at 2,944. So it's not going to see anything, but I think it's 4,900. Let's go to weekly. Hold on, it's all time high. Let's see. I don't think so. All time high. It's all time high. As you can see. So we go back to every simple. So this is our prediction that gold is still going to be going higher. Our next target is as simple as but definitely has to come back here. Let's use our Fibonacci. Because yes, this is another base point for gold to come. Did you see what I saw? Nothing. On swing low, swing high, where's the fib, retracement, swing low. We use the head, not with the body. So swing high. By using the body to the body. 61.8. Branch 5. These are the key zones. How to make them red as well. Key zones. Make them red. Very important. your price, the price, based on our level for price increase. It is 15 minutes and take a little long, all the way, all the way, all the way. Everything 30 pips, about 30 pips below this. Will take below this because the price to come. So probably then you don't try to keep people out. You should be below this second count, not even this because you're definitely going to fake this answer. Below this, that's 2950. This price is tanking. So this is not turning to be a support. So the focus for today, you can just take a screenshot and send this for price. It's your target of the second alert. Simple as that. Thank you so much. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The most difficult thing to do is not even about the trading, it's about you pulling up the camera and start recording. I think that's the difficult thing. Another thing is when you don't have trades available, you're wondering what and what you want to be recording. But I just have to record and document my journey so I'll be able to see measure my growth so far. If this is your first time joining me, you can just click on the subscribe button and like button, as well as turn off the notification so whenever I drop another video you'll be notified. Thank you so much for your time.